Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT in Binance, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to click on wallets and you will be able to see an interface where you can see overview sections on the screen, and just down below you'll be able to see deposit crypto option. You need to click there. After that, you need to search for your currency which you want to use. Let's say I want to buy USDT using Australian dollar. And you'll be redirected to deposit interface where you can see two options. First one is buy crypto with AUD and another is P2P Express. You need to select buy crypto with AUD and click on continue. Now enter the amount, let's say $100, and click on pay with card. Now here you can choose any payment options as you want, but let me leave it default. Now finally click on add new card. Right after that, in here you need to enter your credentials of your cards and finally click on confirm, and you'll be able to see balance in your Binance. So this is how you can buy USDT in Binance, and if you still encounter any issue during the buying process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.